Shata Wale ai video bia eno nso wakasa de nsem bia tudwa na I think say nsem no de tudwa tichi na mrantie bia na microphone bia no ne omoye adwuma militant na amanfo dodo na ni mo bem say mrantie be 9 captain the self Natty Lee na bem say joint 77 omoye 9 na wakasa de nsem bia tudwa bat onu ankasa wa homa no so nti nia ne how wo yes amrantie ne captain sorry militant opese Ghana for mo TV no yenko homa no so nya eni yenkomo pa Shata is saying you go sunga kranka. So before I be militant for come on so ma yen sha se mfi this story is why I know so that one thing about billboard. I think it was is it Times Square? You see, Umfuni Bohodomo saying, what is this whole thing about Times Square billboard?
Well, that's it. And I met that with you for so say at least another day. FM. Oh, I mean, way so they are not. I go say, not I will meet Barack Obama basically, no. What I just want to say is that apart from me doing my local stuff, me call maybe Africa, I have this potential, when it comes to dancehall music. I know that most of you, me start music, no. Because most of you know from when I started music till now, and I really love like dancehall and reggae. So basically, I tried my possible best to get a link from America, but it didn't go through well for me. But later, the management of Sean Storm, was more praise in the hair. Almost friend catch him. So Sean Storm say, "On me be collaboration," and through that, the Medina management team, we were her. Mama catch him say, "Oh, the way I'm because the way I met me here dance or no reggae, they can really help me to be pushing projects, up there." So, I've recorded over, let's say, 350 to 400 songs. I want Jamaica. I'm still waiting for that glorious moment. They might get a recognition there, and I'll get a recognition there. Shata, your name is in the market now, so we have to push you. So, picture now what Times Square, it's not just what Times Square, but no team no Flex Jermaine, GH Reload Online, like he deals with most of my PR. So when it comes to management on social media, and on his team, I have catch him say and go for because somebody like compilation, but first they wanted to use Acom, but I think they decided to use me and make me the face of the whole compilation. But now I'm who pushed because now for some time now I wasn't on like Twitter, but I was on Facebook. So he said the thing was on Twitter, and I was like, wow. So the chairman, I was so much like overwhelmed because we want to say wow, and I'm comfortable. Before he gave me the whole brief about contractor name, beat popper or no American contractor, no Caribbean. I must say the way I make my quality or her and go for any name. And me, I'm the type of artist to say I find it so difficult to shoot videos because I don't really see the worth of it. Even so, shoot we don't even get money from it that much. So sometimes I feel like investing in other businesses rather than doing videos. So they said my face is what people want to see right now, and that is what they want to project for me. And they were so much excited, and they were telling me a whole lot of things. And through this, I'm a mini Morgan heritage as well about the year. And they are also saying a whole lot of things. So basically, my pictures and what they are doing, this album and this compilation that is on Times Square, is a great thing for me in my career. Say at least at long last, I've gotten that recognition from Jamaica. Say they are really loving my songs, and with this Sleepless Night score I released, I won't lie to you, like it has, given them a different picture about me, and it's taking me places. So this compilation is actually being pushed to the world. This is not their first compilation. They've done 2 compilations that have got Grammy nominations that winning soda. So they are trying to project Africa right now, and when they watch like the whole of Africa, they see that men are made pushy and dancehall, the reggae power. And I told them, no, it's not only me. I have my brothers like Samini, the Stone Boys, the Jupiters, etc. But they were like, they know all of them, but the kind of content they need, and that is what I'm really giving to them, and they really appreciate it so much, and so that is what we are on right now.
Okay, and actually a compilation. Oh,
yes, it's a compilation with all the like big stars in the Caribbean, and Jamaica first.
I see. And unyum bese ana dia hina wasu anyum dia hina wasu no. Okay,
me cry nyum na omo choose I don't know, surprising me because my recording will be Dream. How many another producers that were Jamaica here from YGF. So they actually check through producers. I mean, on my record, the minute Damage Music, I record the minute Marcos, Go Up Music. I'm big producers, but YGF, and because it's titled Dream, and that song I was talking about prosperity, like riches, like I was talking about how big I want to be, like Martin Luther, I want to be like Barack Obama, that kind of thing. So I think vibes no that chill.
Okay.
And they were like, they like that song. And I was telling them so more 9 songs for high reggae, but that has a dancehall groove. Like, so they said they love that vibe, and that is what they want to put on their compilation. And almost no money in my market to hot, so I couldn't like really argue with them too much. I wanted to just see how well that song will also go for me. Okay.
You have a militant for a but briefly, maybe some question because we be our can't see about music video. No, I'm just curious about it. I'm feeling a question. Who can say who music video say I won't say that pay because what really it adds to ABH human meaning say mementi say nyao kind no sana mi huno if sana tia dia na ya wo expect ususu se nka bia music video ebeye aboa we adwuma na ye no ai bia wo hunti a wo no one said that you are not really a fan of it no dia.
Well, first of all, I would say and I'm not saying this in any bad way, but I would say that it's the industry one, because we do expensive videos. What must I say? We waste our hard-earned cash on videos here in Ghana, but we don't get like the industry projecting it to Africa for us. That is one. And 2, when we do the videos tour, we have to even go and pay TV stations to play it. And when the TV stations play it, we don't get our royalties. That is 2. And 3, when the video is even done, the only possible way we can make money from is YouTube. And ask yourself, how many views do we even get on YouTube? Just because all the things I've mentioned is not working well for us. No? So it's not projected to Africa like that. What was there? So sometimes I see that the many 1 million views, 3 million views, 5 million. We have aggregators here too in Ghana with YouTube. You have to have aggregators who can, deal with it for you. So my aggregators are going to take some percentage out of it. And even though I'm getting like the 80,000, 70,000 for my YouTube views and stuff like that, I feel if you convert 70,000 into like 70,000 Ghana cedi into dollars, it's $15,000.
Okay, so Sika Unya, for instance, 80,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, I mean 80,000 Ghana cedis, like every 3 months.
Okay,
I make like 80,000, 85, sometimes 73. It switches like up and down like that. So I always tell myself that these are money, like a schedule, but Sika will be to get transfer cement. What was it? But
me Shata, all the to say bia Sika the best share. For instance, I mean, I'm just watching the Sleepless Night Aname Boy, the music video. So ebia to say no say how much Sika ne komu in making the video. who can say be well 80,000 bear busumi miensa, and now let's say ranging from 70,000 yakwa be 100,000 Ghana cedis 3 months no. Compared to a sika a sleepless night crash in kwesi me boka be 100,000 Ghana cedis. Inti adentina me boka 100,000 na me fanko to YouTube na 3 months. How much do you spend for instance one music video? Meaning say it varies though, but to my range how much? And I can say it's not even worth it now to back to YouTube.
You see, because videos don't, it varies. Because if I want to like a video like Sleepless Night, the only thing I needed was the equipment, the lighting, what am I say? So basically, let's take it for instance. Maybe I'll rent a camera, want the professional camera like red camera, no renting lighting, you pay the team and everything. Maybe roughly, over to me say 30 to 35,000 Ghana. What am I say?
Mm-hmm.
It's not even about the concept of the video. What must I say? Locations, but this whole arrangement to just shoot a video. I'll bet your director name. What must I say? So basically, like if the USR calculation thing in and car before ABA can it's not like the way you expect, because people are making money from YouTube views. Then when I won't lie to you, and it's not about the numbers. Because Jamaica say more, there are about 3 million people. Ghanaians are more than Jamaicans. But when we talk, we say, say Ghana and so and Nigeria, so that's why they get views. It's not that. It's the projection. They project them to the world, so you get people watching like their videos all over the world.
Yes, I'm happy, and Komoy, the more I will say, we did be cinema call militant now. Can't send be my dream, but question, my question, be person Busau. About projection home asem, and you're saying that Ufi said music video crown as part of the reason TBIO you don't want to invest so much in music video because the projection maybe to the world, to Africa no hunisa, because I mean TV stations but you obey say royalties crown munya ni kakao. But YouTube, I mean, it's a global thing. It's a worldwide thing. Baby, no access to internet. YouTube, bet me sharing your kaka. You don't think that it does enough to project you to the world? For that matter, no. Still, you have to spend so much. Music video now in the projection.
No, I don't think now. Say, what am I saying? Obi the tie beba, obi the battery beba, obi the bibia beba. But say nyanya kina spark kana, and to call distance a percent. That's the like little example I can give you.
Okay,
it's just like a car. What am I saying? We will all bring our powers together, but the key to really project us, it's not there. Or the key to push the car, to start the car, to make it go faster. The person call Flow, the person call Burkina Faso, the person call. But who is going to spark the car? Now that's what I'm talking about. So it's not that it's not worth it. It's worth it. If you put your song on YouTube, you are going to get people watching your videos. But how can that video get to Taiwan, Malaysia? Are you understanding me? It's the news and the way we carry it that is going to make us get there. Because if, let me say, we'll say that you are projecting it. I get what I'm saying. But imagine, say, Saturday, Obia projecting to that level. Say, no, let us push this on. This is it. Africa will hear about it because the trends will come on the internet because it's working now. And people will get the idea. Because we see that, hey, I didn't Ghana DJ promote it. I didn't TV stations there, but I say, look at the bloggers sharing more about Sleepless Night. Awareness will get to the world. What's my say? So basically, that's what I'm saying. I said, I'm not saying it's a bad way, but I feel it's a projection that we need to learn to push this thing up.
I'm sure one of these days, when there's no controversy, BBR and Koso, now Ebeshia studio, then we'll talk much more about your industry and but fair no see what I'm saying. So militant for no dear no my we've seen video a cover I mean social media me sure say a brain it me abobi amama for mo ntie nsam no but see then what sake I am ranty a oni omo ye adwuma
sometimes Mr. Masaki will be I didn't know you would be a surprise. Why I didn't know I don't was like you do one. But I always tell people say it's the work. What must say? let's take it for instance. For addiction, what must say? Oh boy, maybe I ready. Oh no, so program no, but you started time then.
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Then if you did no one what office 3 o'clock. Now when you say program 1 o'clock. Yes, I mistake. Then maybe management will be talking to you because you're a boss, but also a boss. What must I say? But you be delaying the radio station and their timings, and you will not give them what they want to make that radio station go. What must I say? It will get to a time they can tell you say no, that is for sure. You can obey was timing. I get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm taking my music career as a business, and I tell people there I don't see fame as something too big. But when people come around me, I want them to know that it's a favor. But if you come and meet me on that road, don't see it like flex, swag. Because if you make money and you are closer to me, it is to my credibility. Like so, I'll feel proud. Say, oh no, Charlie, the boy is not mobile in channel. Almost what must I say? At least if you make money for yourself and your family, I'll feel proud. Say, oh, mobile in channel, what is your baby? But when you come to me and you want to go with me like this because of the fame and you are not thinking about the work, and not there, because me, personally, I'm not thinking about the fame. I'm not thinking about Mr. Nice Guy, Mayor Swag. I don't think about it. All I think about is how can I entertain people so that when I even come on live, maybe video, not because sometimes I'm sure I'm not but I know people get the kind of entertainment I'm trying to bring. It's not anything I'm a fan of personal. But when I say certain things like this, there are serious issues for me.
Okay. So Samiti was here. Entity na audio mu fame no. Say wo mu hu entity omu hu adwuma no. Anything no asake om no.
Exactly. Yes, and all those people who have come to me in my life and I've gotten rid of them, it's just because of the work. But you see, when they go out there, they don't go and tell people that it's because of the work. They go and they don't want to go out. I can say, me cocaine, me she me say, and I'm taking them in good faith. But Obi or cooking up to now still, he's doing things. What's my case? So if you go out there and you don't paint the right picture for the people, so while if your man was serious to do, you're saying it to my Obi don't
yeah.
It is basically because of the work.
Okay, but sorry, me Ben, because I mean, I'm on for Afa. Yeah, I didn't know the atoto. Who to say? O teacher ni school obia student. Na se teacher ni uche o student adie na wo hu a. I'm on for fi say teacher no boa na o school ni no. Otimi ti asem na see you otimi, but o kasa wo sakiom sa because e bia ade amechiro no mu hu. Now sakioma omo chese eno no nya ade papa esanse se bia chese school nkoda no waye bibi boni bi and now feels okay. Well, no, sadie we insubordination and now we know enya de so ani we no bia we bumra bia ahihia to honum say, but so wo chere school ni ade na say school ni hu a so saki ni fi school there no sa.
I like what you're saying. Udi example about school no. Who was school? I get show idea. At the end of so what must say? But teaching I'm portray still watch show. What must say? Then in the middle of school now, you violate the school rules and laws. What is the violation? Which will be a only say in the rules of the school, you need an exit to go out from the school. You know what that's for? You know, it is not in the school rules say you do that in the school. It's a bad norm. What I say? Why you never do a school? And those are the things that they have done. Because if you are learning, that's what I'm saying. Almost your idea. Fine, I'm teaching them, and I'm taking that time to always show them what they have to do, and have that patience to do it for them. But the more na mo catch go for say me na me person mo be release mo nom and na make na mo happiness so and na me person mo be ko enim me person mo be ko interviews me person mo be yes any say you are breaking the rules because most are movie, and you know personally say, you know say movie school. No? So why do you have to even be moving around there and not telling the people the right truth? Say, oh, at the end of the show, but when you start breaking the rules around me, and in America say they go out there and things that they say and I hear. For instance, Captain Berger in the video, no, it was saying something that Niamo Okanobwa, because on what Gangi Apa, now Mupa said Captain soon come home because Niama and Mupa someone, you know, me Momo, yes, Niamo recording Kaba, me saying, and you know, yet. I have songs on my phone that me bought you over radio. What am I saying? They've not gotten to that point. Me, na me Chiyomo say, oh no, since you guys said you wanted to do music, let me just put you on. Let me show you how. And it's not a disgrace to write song for any artist. What am I saying? Because big artists come and work by a join your mom. I mean, you have good writers and things, but I have that, skill to show you, say, oh, sing like this. Because I mentioned me, I met your voice. I will get to you say, because this is our voice, you understand how much we have to. And God will bless you too for us. What am I saying? But if I have gotten that time for you guys, and you guys are not appreciating that, and you want to gang up against me, and force somebody to be part of it, and then I come ever catch him say, "Niama moka womehono like omoka niama be brave." To my fans abroad, niama like niama moka fans. Like they've said a whole lot of things. So Captain came to tell me, and I was like, Captain. And I brought them together. Now, after I catch you said, I'm a Gangia. No more. So also can't say anything. Captain, I will mean anyone when he said, so also can't say anything. And listen, they were like, I didn't understand. Or you say, who are sell out because I didn't want canoe. I didn't know what. Like Captain catch you say. Way onu na ma gan nyina wo ye o e no say yen sua nyum because you say how the bar and yet this is one what trauma and yen sua na yen fan good yen fan in an announce me in the American yen fan like on no so feel proud of but they be ani pano kan mo so mo pese mo be ye mo pese yen kan ki apen jano na we should go and spread different news about the guy. And Captain says he can't take it. So both of them, Captain said it. And they all felt bad. They asked him, because I'm say, one day I'm going to OKF and somebody interview. They didn't mind them. And I was like, because OKF and people know that you people are not right. You people haven't gotten there.
But saying you see, Kanfo or Captain now can once them. Is this on Odia, even though was militants, maybe are not a part of it. What Jina still are known so was Senator.
I'll come back to the school at Okado. Captain is saying it like old school. He has not graduated yet to get his certificate to go and look for a job. So he is seeing himself like he wants to be in a school and learn.
And you are not there still up or bow camp?
Most of them come over camp. And the one thing that people don't really know in life is that because of my experience, when I wanted to work with this boy, I my paper contract reading. So how many years now? I know. We so for life. Make them joy here. We should say for life. I'm say for I'm not signing contract for life. I am against here.
Peace FM.
So I'm not signing contract for life. I am against here. So if I say I would want to take them on for them to learn, I can push them like that because there's nobody who can come in here and tell me, say, oh, we're going to sign at yourself, and now we're going to sign Captain, and now we're going to sign Joint 77. Because I have a contract that they signed themselves that they want to sign it for life. They want to be with me for life. So how come you go and gang up and then start doing all sorts of things? Like, and sometimes they hurt me so much. Like opportunities. My mom, if I'm a godfather, I'm almost 10,000. If I'm minimum 15,000, no more. Mean you want to do Moon Bosho, my main and the mom 20% and now 10%. Because that's not what they even want from me. But you don't even get the shows. because you don't even write your own song. That you want to report your man, one or two industry, one or two minimum.
I see. But me yana me no wrap up on the interview. But me which are so better confirm me, mommy. Or confirm me, mommy said. And the captain, they're still Shata. He's with you.
Yes, you mean he wants to learn.
Okay. Okay. And the main fan said at the self joined 77 in Natty lead there. What's that?
Like they are not part of me movement today.
Okay. And the senior be a captain by or see already of a source and see idea. And main fan said obi to say be a Natty lead banos okay. Don one. Maya Bonnie. One don.
One don na a popular foul.
Okay. One don enti me pachoa. Wonjino.
Oh, we are sitting nipa nipa what must say. Enti obaso person sian. Imagine because it means
no shut radio sina kaso we sure say obana say or pacho na osioki nya waye bia no fa che na obeje no chata
enya be mention at na me feel but mention na awo ma form say at least near make no afi na ono what tiafe
me pese me say as part of nya na won ne tie bia no betimi as wakoda you say akoda dwunso gu na so a ye pepa ye ntwa ntwene enti you baka say okay well okay wo dia usi wonu hu na so aba you are welcome to the fold again Obejino.
Natty, me what was here, and I'm learning. When I was a child, I was behaving like a child. So my papa no catching so the way you know on himself when you I didn't mean but the only thing I'll tell him that so but only said me mom 2 years so I'm using and they saw it as a difficult journey. And I told them I spent 10 years to be underground to learn how to play beat and learn how to compose certain type of songs. So about me saying na make you wanna catch us all. And just learn, that's where to be schooled. You have to accept it. And then yes, so there's no way to watch me make us say, oh no, hey, if you're my mom, I've grown to a point where wisdom is working in my brain. So there is no way that move back. But you see the way they are working out there, trying to paint a picture like I would sit on them. That is the problem.
Okay. All right. Many Natty Babejin Komo. Minim se obe pese obe jina so because I wish he said obe timi dina.
I mean,
okay. All right.
On himself. Yeah,
okay. So home kakrama me na me Natty wa school ni a so asake. Natty otime kam wa kwa baba Peace FM entertainment review so.
Me amedase daddy.
Na boko there. Okay, so one done. Papa, are you?
Yeah, boko ne say ma fi mi ni anu kakra.
Wa fe no.
Ma fe no.
Enti dia na be ka kire ni wie.
Oh, the America chain is say appreciate like we appreciate Bibia Waya. You understand? He tried his best. I want to say, when him say sometimes I saw near din kakra. But I didn't cry. Shata, you know. Me say, me shata, men see a kakra. Many joints, what you here? Hello?
But wait, you.
And he, him say shata, no, him say, my son, din kakra. After your son, him say, joint a son, din kakra. And so, issues be like, but issue in the bar, I was say, your tuition is in Wufi. You understand? And I know, say, the ABCB Obi to me, here will be nice. But we are your boss. What you here? And then, not just that, but you're like a brother to us. We've come a long way. And to say, be being poor. I was say, and out to me, am I so yeah, explain your chair, drink a crap. Me, like the beer, I bet can be except one.
I don't need you.
The other can about captain, say captain, say, yeah, gangi up and all that. I was saying, for my end, so yeah, explaining. Not see. Maybe I name senior or no. what you say. Captain Abe can part that show. But offer you know, nani willful into when to me and see ye. Well, see anybody bonnie. You understand? Who to me from Nipa, it's normal, it's like part of us. But Uncle was also Sanya Butre. Again, the Amenene again, I want to say, okay, you know, we don't write our own songs because Shata Wale say, I try my best. Oh, sometimes with me, I have a little studio in my room in Tinemesoya. Like, sometimes I bring the songs from my house and then the man maybe son say, oh, Charlie, for who is saying. And yeah, or to make sure me say, oh, yeah, changes, anyhow. But I still write the songs.
So, a idea ube pese ube sign a call back to say be a captain no on one chichim.
Shata onyame boss nkwa. He's my brother. Is it me my whole family know him? Oh, into me so no ni buefu me nekra me bunfu no. Is it me? Me say something happened and then I accept say we were at fault. You understand? But the am I expecting to say like me bube fusa on tia like you just decide like that. You understand? And was at least to see and so your part.
Sorry. Make me come be actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Natty. Only say me want me in front. What's my say? But that me friend only at itself me captain let in the studio. Me friend join say no Kumasi. Remember. But mobile, you know. Question now, maybe some. After every speech we make, you guys can't say that. Sometimes I don't want you guys to post like to people say, yeah, meeting. Ask them how many times I'm the only artist that has meetings with my group. Anytime there is a problem, anytime we have something, anytime. But what I'm just trying to tell us is that day when we were talking about this thing, Captain John and I would not see or Kase at the self, I catch him say. You didn't speak because Natty is the type of person maybe as them goes on kasa what was it on them be hanuka unless who are pushing. He's a nice person to be with. I've also with this but what time I'm in the car no in the car for me. You call around in there. What was it? So it's my brother, like he's saying. I know his father, I know his everybody around him, you know, that kind of thing. So they all kind of say me mom you know, that is also my problem. After everything I said if they have anything to say, they should tell me. The only thing you guys tell me is that you are sorry.
Yeah. And okay, but I won't say but none is
I want to me yesterday, no. And only my problem. What must I am not superhuman. If you are also catch him so Shata, but that is the problem I have with the team around me. But sometimes if there is a problem, this will mean you're perfect. Certain things, well, in Pachoma, no one will come to Mukaka, so Ukasano, Ubu, person may yesterday between shows. Miss Uber, correct me.
But Shata, unim say when you name or can send be minim se sanity as a sanity and pacho be brave no dear name che na so ye be on because you see who say oba mremu kra ye do ko gina quarter I mean omo musuamra no obi be a friend or the alter and pattern na eno che say so tie the other side no wetie kwesi aboaje de adentina wuntie Natty de ana wetie Shata de adentina wuntie kwesi aboaje de untimi ntie Shata kwa de na unyina so na onfa emuya se am so okay oh any o see
and na make the make how one no and na make say time my captain me friend no me friend at the shop me Natty no bet now captain can it here at the shop play wood here also the captain cano na we are come bia ama what say okaka not the weekend or phone so na waka uza say I don't know yes sir like the nyama want come together no I decided to do himself but he accepted it yes omo cancer and Natty was also sitting there so we were seated like together and you say if your captain be catch him no Natty mu ni ho daddy what am I say
yeah
so as captain said it Not even accepted.
So Sanya Osi cannot say as if when Tio no yes sanity.
And yes sanity because they were all seated there.
Okay.
And see this anchor Captain Becca me alone. How you are. That is my problem. Say if you're people blaming say now they now take sign on one year.
Okay. Natty.
Daddy.
Sanya Osi a car seven Shata Chechim said there be Munina na mo even though Becca and Munina fair Munina more on say and a captain can't say.
Daddy won't. As I'm saying, na yina ya wo hodie. But on say na Shata na ni buefu. Oh, nti ase. Ono nso oyemi ni say ni bufu a. I was say you just have to allow him to, voice out what he wants to voice. I mean, me shut up and me senior.
But you.
So that
Natty, hold on. Natty, hold on. Obekasa. But the person who said, impression me nya no ntina me ma me ka chance se sa na tie dia na che se ntwa yie. O si as if say wa ma kwan se mo nka mo de. And I see there be nya sa na tie of frame mu nyina mo wo honom sei. Enti asu ni buafu no de any another matter altogether. Or an person catch us okay because ni buafu no ama wentie mu kra sa na person chat.
Oh, Shata ni bufu ni bufu. Into ono ne dia no ka. Oh, into when they be assembly free. But I say, if we get deep into this matter, Captain Angasa Odifo. That is the thing.
Why they?
Was a family issue, like a personal.
Natty, listen. Let me tell you something.
A personal.
Natty, Shata Kasa Ositino.
My man is in song. They shouldn't try and paint Captain say Wabe catch Vidia, no more niho. What must I say? Then I'm trying to support Captain. I am not that type of person. But this is a situation where we were all there, and this is all can say Captain Kra Odifo. Like, it's making it look like Captain Kachem said they all ganged up, and he himself said, yes, me so we waste some time. Nyama also Kadi. What must I say? So this is not a problem where you have to blame somebody. Captain accepted that one day, I'm can say because no one is always here time. But you understand me into me that. And into the Onuba Jam is a mean from Munina and I can cast them. So like the way we are saying, yes, I make casa, let me minimum casa you are. That is the only thing I can if you have anything to tell me, tell me. And not you were there, I told you said some more people explain to me.
Okay.
But I mean your own Shata is Shata ball. Nothing you will talk with you will fit or you will hear, but you wear the hat
right now, bro. Right now we talk.
Oh no. Right now, boy, I don't say bro. You don't say I know you from long. You say when you say that they ever come there, I don't even talk anything.
Okay, so
you don't like talk. I say, Daddy, that's your one. Me madam for no. Me na hustle sa on pekasa. On no bisa say o ka committee o ka be say. If you're not committing, but on peka he's a gentle type of guy. On pen casa, on pen noise, in Yamenti, he shouldn't come in. I mean, first of all, radio to say no person explaining to me. But not, he doesn't have a problem with me. It's just that when people are talking, he will also be there, and that's my problem with him. Say, who minimum before I deserve the captain. Me, you and 27 used to hustle together. So if this thing is even going on, you should be the elderly one among them. Even come and approach me and talk to me. What must I say? Because you are being a brother to me from way back time. I mean, Libya, if you are shine today.
Okay. All right. So me who said we know Ebushan talk about Shata only bibi. I think said unkoda no my phone muna mon trans we nuanom say na okay only na hustle so me and Chini bebre me and public fanfare so too much na ye na yentimi and settle no but before we kono Shata me person busa we I get the impression say is it a yawde bi wo mu say omo a wotwe omo ben na ebi a oni omo ye adwuma se obebo omo ni ade na is it say o feel say omo ba no ma be betray wu ana is it wan kasa wo awusuban na ebi a emani amanu lukusa am senator.
That is why I'll go around the world. It's the work. Mama boys about me, my way. road manager, road thing, and I made sure my human say, you need human, what must say? So when they go out there and start betraying me, like, like, you know, BBC, and the thing was so serious. So sometimes it hurts me. So it makes me so betrayed. What must I say? Like, the way many Natty, many who can Natty, like, it's making me feel betrayed. Say, oh, and Juma made Chairman, and no, not done the same, and no, not done the Kangap. What must I say? So I feel betrayed because I feel they don't see the work aspect of what I'm talking about, but they are watching other things instead. And that's why, how come I say, hey, because like that is also music to do even music, you need to get a sound mind to do it. What must I say? So sometimes I feel like, okay, some person obey you, man. Any come. That is how I feel. I feel betrayed. Like the way you're saying it, like you're perfectly right. I feel betrayed.
Okay. So and yes, tisini ebi kan o Shata there obi no Asake pop skinny and Shata na we o Masake militant. Shata na is not about you, but omo putri omo be omo an omo ba no ma sign oma be you ama any account
because me just and that is also show me like they be my life because what must I say? Because I am serious with the work alone myself. I am here. Me say, you know, like if you are Uber friend Uber interview me, the only person I just Bulldog, my manager. Bulldog even knows that I don't sleep. Sometimes so few me around. Some open link. My godfather is more cool. I'm a bucket of or my godfather so or so my is kind of the project. Like I'm doing everything myself, and it's the work, you know. But I don't go out there with faith. I don't go out there saying a celebrity and a star. And that's how God bless me with such an opportunity. So when they come to me, I also tell them, you can also get the same opportunity when you understand the work I hear, you know. So it's not anything difficult there. That they may invite you. I'm a chef. Oh yes, Italian recent or raincoat bread. Raincoat bread. May invite you now, but the way I'm leaving. But no.
Okay, Natalie. So me sure say over time. Munyina munshia na munkasa na ye nto ye. Why?
Oh, daddy, me there. Senior me ka no. Ono o start me ka no ni me nyejuma ka. O ye me ni ase ne de shi ni ho be ye. O ye me den ka fi o de me ba. Ba na me be bobe ono na we fi me amegina ho. You be
bucket in the shut up.
Yeah.
Yamin Shapa and congratulations on the Times Square Jamaica thing. All right, bless you too. And Natalie, yeah, that's papa.
Okay.
All right, so Shata Wale, this is Yanidin Ababekaone, one dawn.